I am Muhammad Umar Asif.
And I am Muhammad Hassan Asif.
I have been a student at Beacon House school system for the last 10 years, and I understand how challenging studies can be. But don't worry, I am here help to you. In this channel, I will show you how to take those tough, complicated topics and turn into easy, understandable lessons. Together, we will explore smart and effective ways to make studying more easier and simpler, but also more enjoyable. And I am so excited to have you all here on my new channel, Umar's Learning Hub. If you are a student of class 9 or just someone who wants to make studying easier, you are in the perfect place. This channel is designed to help you with your studies, break down tough topics and make learning fun and simple. Here we are not just going to study, we are going to master every subject step by step, whether it's mathematics, science or any other subject. I will be taking you through the very basics so that everything is clear and easy to follow. Together we will go through every topic in detail, making sure you understand it thoroughly. My goal is to make learning less stressful and more enjoyable for you all. But before we jump into all of that amazing content, I need your support. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumb and share it with your friends and classmates. By subscribing, you will stay updated with all my upcoming videos that will help you ace your exams and schoolwork. Trust me, you won't want to miss out. Now let's talk about what you can expect in tomorrow's video. We will begin your journey with class 9 mathematics, starting from the absolute basics. I know maths can sometimes seem difficult, but don't worry, we will make it super simple and you will soon be solving equations like a pro. So stay tuned and remember to subscribe so you can join me in tomorrow's class, where we will be talking the first topic in maths. Thank you for watching and I look forward to helping you succeed in my studies. Thank you.
Bye.